I'm Kelly Mills, and I teach plant and animal science at the Hannaford Career Center. And today we're at Dream Acre Stable in Shoreham, Vermont. And Dream Acre Stable is owned by a former student who was in plant and animal science at the Hannaford Career Center.
I took plant and animal science because I'm very passionate about learning about different ecosystems and climate change. So I thought it would be a good class to take to learn more about animals and plants. So then I can have a deeper understanding, and it can help prepare me for classes that I'll take in the future, maybe a career.
And plant and animal science, to give a brief overview, is an opportunity for students to learn about the systems of plants and animals. So what we do is we break down the systems into different species of animals, such as horses, dairy cattle, sheep, and chickens. And then from there we break down their different bodily processes. So we study about digestion, reproduction, muscles, and also what the animal is used for here in Addison County. Okay, and let it dangle down. Go ahead and feed it around. Okay, and then you're going to watch for it under here, and you're going to grab it and pull it around.
I took plant and animal science because I just love animals.
In terms of our plants, we break the plants down by systems as well as the different structures inside of a plant. So we're looking at leaves, stems, roots, and we pull all that together by planting and starting seeds in March so that we can open our greenhouse to the public in May. So it pulls everything together so everyone gets an opportunity to learn about the foundations of how plants and animals fit into our life here in Addison County.
My favorite part about the class is probably when we learn more interactively, how we're going to the farm today and being able to be with the horses and stuff. I think it's fun to be able to be interactive.
In plant and animal science, we offer a couple of different industry recognized credentials for students that they can put to work right away. The first one we do has to do with ServSafe. So it is a certification given by the National Restaurant Association, and it allows students to understand how to properly prepare and handle food to prevent foodborne illnesses. The second one is the worker protection standards, and what this does is help students understand about pesticides and their warnings and how to enter a greenhouse well after someone has sprayed any sort of pesticide. The best part of plant and animal science is that it prepares students to take the next level class, which is sustainable agriculture. So it's not only an opportunity for students who want to learn more about how to take care of their animals at home, but maybe explore the possibility of careers, and that might be in the field of veterinary medicine. It could be in owning a horse stable such as this, or working on a farm, and actually even working on a vegetable farm.
I have friends who have farms and stuff, so now I can go to the farm and be oh yeah, I know how to take care of that horse that they have.
And the reason why I love this class is that it's an opportunity for students to learn and really open their eyes to see how plants and animals fit together in our world here in Addison County.